Seamless gutters have quickly become the new standard in residential gutter systems, and for good reason. Homeowners today are looking for solutions that are stronger, cleaner, and longer lasting than do-it-yourself options, and seamless gutters check all of those boxes. But what exactly makes them the new standard, and why are there so many homes making the switch? Let's break it down. DIY sectional gutters are made from pre-cut pieces that are joined together along the roofline. Every one of those joints is a potential weak point where leaks, clogs, and separations can occur over time. Seamless gutters, on the other hand, are custom formed on site to fit the exact dimensions of your home. This means fewer joints, fewer opportunities for failure, and a system that's designed specifically for your roofline. One of the biggest advantages of seamless gutters is leak prevention. With joints only at the corners and downspout outlets, there are far fewer places for water to escape. This dramatically reduces the risk of water damage to your siding, foundation, and landscaping. It also means less maintenance over time, since debris is less likely to catch on the seams and create blockages. Strength and durability are another reason seamless gutters have become the preferred choice. Because they're formed from a single continuous piece of material, they're structurally stronger and less prone to sagging or pulling apart. This is especially important in areas that experience heavy rain, snow, or ice, where gutters are constantly under stress. Seamless gutters are also designed with aesthetics in mind. They create a clean, streamlined look that blends seamlessly, no pun intended, into the exterior of your home. It's also worth noting that seamless gutters are a professional grade solution. They require specialized equipment and trained installers to fabricate and install them correctly. While that means they're not a DIY project, it also ensures a higher level of quality and consistency from start to finish. At the Brothers That Just Do Gutters, we see seamless gutters as more than just an upgrade. They're a smarter, more reliable way to protect your home. With fewer leaks, greater durability, improved appearance, and better overall performance, it's easy to see why seamless gutters have become the new standard in gutter systems today. If you liked this video or found it informative, please give it a like and a comment, and hit subscribe for more. We'll see you on the next video.